Hello kids, welcome to Wisdom with a channel. Now we are going to study about an interesting topic, that is digraphs. When two alphabets join together, they form a different sound. Okay, that is called digraphs. Q and U is a digraph. Q and U makes a sound Q. Q and U together makes a sound Q. This Q and U are inseparable. Wherever comes the Q is followed by the U. Okay children? QU makes a sound Q. Now let's move on to the spelling of queen bee. Queen bee. Come on, repeat along with me children. Q. Q. E-N. Queen. Q. E-N. Queen. Queen bee. Is it easy children? Next, we are going to study a name of a bird. It's a quail. 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 A-L. Quail. Quail. A-L. Quail. Okay children, whenever you make noise, what does your teacher say? Be quiet, right? Be quiet. Quail. I-A-T. Quiet. Quail. I-A-T. Quiet. Yeah, guess what is a shape? It is a square. It is a square. Come on children, check it out. Q and U are always together in all the spellings. Right children? This is a red square. This is a red square. Next, we move on to the spelling. Question. 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 Qu. Qu says question. Okay children, now guess what will be the next spelling. Do you got it? Yes, it is a Q. It is a Q. It is a Q. Very good. Children, maintaining the Q is a very good habit. Okay children, shall we do a small recap of today's session? Okay? Whenever you saw Q, just imagine a ducky saying the quack quack noise. The duck making the quack quack noise. QU makes a sound Q. 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 Hope kids you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe.